Hey everyone, I'm David from VanClan, and this week we're taking a look at the best van life hacks heading into 2022. We've had the pleasure to tour a lot of vans and builds, so here are our top picks.
So this, Rob, obviously he can build cabinets, he enjoys building cabinets, but he wanted something that was easily lockable, not difficult to put together in terms of a build, and just save us time and also weight in the van because it's much lighter. This is actually a pro slat construction or tool cabinet. So this is what it's designed for, but we use it for our kitchen. So we have our induction burner and some of our sharper knives and scissors in here. The next shelf down holds all of our cutlery and our wraps and things like that. The next one here is all of our dishes, as well as our medicine cabinet at the back and our utensils for cooking. And then down here is kind of our junk drawer, as well as our cutting boards and dish towels and things. And the very bottom one here is for all our pots and pans and bowls and things like that, larger items. And the best part about it is one turn and the whole thing is locked. So you don't have to worry about having different locking mechanisms. It's all in one. So we love that.
Down here we have an ottoman, so if you do have extra guests, they can use this as a seat, but as everything with the van, it doubles for extra storage. So this has all our games and kind of arts and crafts in there, and that just slides right in there. And then this one here is where we store all our food, so it's our dry storage as well.
Behind door number 3, this is our hanging portion of our closet. So we just put this onto a couple of sliders. So we have optimized our storage. As you can see, we have a lot of clothing. This is something that I would have a hard time compromising on, but now I don't have to. I even have a nice fluffy robe because I am a lady of leisure and I like my robes. So that just goes back in there. And then in the bottom, we kind of have what we call like the fun drawer or the fun area. We have a couple of board games and some bits and bobs. We have a fan in there in case we need it. Chet's fishing equipment gets stored in there, and our laundry basket fits perfectly right underneath all of our clothes so that we have awesome, easy access. Just throw everything in, and then that comes right out, and we do our laundry.
This is our fridge freezer. We utilize it as a bench. This here is a storage box, but it also becomes my step up to be able to get up here to sit, and becomes a footrest as well.
These cabinets is where we keep our clothes. I have this one, and Zach has this one, and we have more clothes than just that. We put it in some pillows, so some of the sweaters often go in a pillow, or some jackets, or just clothes that we might not want that often but take a lot of space.
And then we have the snowboard mounted to the wall, which we were going to add hooks to, but we couldn't really find any that we liked, so we just used beaners because we have a lot of them. And in summer this is just like beaners, triple trad rack, ropes. It's just covered in climbing stuff.
Up here I've got this cupboard is like my bathroom, I guess. In my upper cabinets I've got motion sensor lighting that comes on, just because like they're really tall and I'm really short, so it kind of helps me see everything. That's just USB rechargeable for those.
So those are our favorite hacks heading into 2022. Make sure to drop a comment to let us know what your favorite van life hack is, and make sure to subscribe for all the new content coming up. We'll see you next week.